Look, we're just concentrating on ourselves. We've had a great 2-week preparation. We had a fantastic week up at Oxford, trained well. I've had 2 good days of training here. We're really well prepared. We're looking forward to playing an historic Calcutta Cup. Well, it's an 80-minute game. We've got to be ahead at the 80th minute mark. That's what we're aiming to be against Scotland.
Why are you struggling to get out of the blocks?
Well, if I knew, I'd fix it. I haven't been able to fix it, so I don't know.
So is it an issue?
No, because we've been ahead at the 80th minute mark, and that's the only time it counts. It's like starting a 100-metre race. You can be in front at the 10-metre mark. You've got to be in front at the 100-metre mark.